Hi, this is Toby with Topic Trading, and it's weekly preview time. We are looking at the ES Mini Futures daily chart, where one bar represents one day. And looking back at the past trading week here, we continued down and we finally met the measured move of the bigger first leg down here. And as you can see, it's actually a perfect measured move. We did surpass it, but we closed right at the measured move, and then we bounced a bit from there. And as we have talked about before, this measured move took us right back at the breakout area at the former sideways range. And as you know, most often when we see a breakout from a range, we will come back and test that breakout area. This time it took a long time before we did so, but we finally made it back. So interesting to see where we will go from here. I would say that we have kind of conflicting patterns since this is a very tight and steep, narrow move, and it looks like one solid leg down to me. And with this channel on, we have a first break, so it might be that we see another push down to test the lows of this narrow channel. But at the same time, we are also heavily oversold, and every time we are oversold or overbought at the outer band of the envelope bands, we tend to bounce and come back maybe to the midline or the 21 EMA, as we most often do, looking back at the past as well. So overbought here, came back actually all the way to the other side, oversold, bounced again to the other side, etc. So it's just a wait and see game here to see what direction the market will find, and you never know what will happen. We just have to wait and see and wait for those solid setups. But this looks like a healthy price action to me anyway, with this wider big uptrend, had a break, 2 legs of correction. So if we do find support here and continue upwards, the targeted upside would then be the highs of the former wider uptrend. But as mentioned, there are no guarantees. We just have to wait and see, and wait for those high probability setups. And I don't really trade a daily chart, but it's super interesting to follow anyway, just to see the price action actually works on any resolution or any level you're analyzing. So that's it for the daily chart. Going to the news events for this week, we actually have red potential high impact events every day here for the next week. And this is Central American time, so 9 a.m. on Monday morning. That's 30 minutes after open. We have the manufacturing PMI, and then 1 hour later at 10 a.m. Central time, we have Fed Chair Powell speaks, or I think it's more of a roundtable discussion and questions from the audience. So these red events are potentially high impact, meaning they can cause volatility to the market and cause troubles with your orders, such as slippage, etc. So be very careful around these news events. Don't trade 30 to 60 minutes before and 30 to 60 minutes after. So keep all of these red events in mind during the coming trading week here. Tuesday, we have another potential high impact event, job openings at 9 a.m. Wednesday, 7:15 before the open, non-farm employment change at 9 a.m. Services PMI. Thursday before the open, 7:30, unemployment claims. Friday again before the open, 7:30. Several news items here. Average hourly earnings, month to month, employment change, unemployment rate. And at 11 a.m. we also have a orange, potentially medium impact event, FOMC member Waller speaks. I didn't really mention the other orange medium events, as they usually don't cause that much volatility on the market, but you never know, they can cause some volatility too, but most often it's the red ones that cause the troubles for us. So I might start to filter out even the orange medium ones. So that's it. Those are the news events for this coming week. So as mentioned, please keep this in mind. Don't trade around these times to be 100% sure you don't end up in any volatility trouble. With that said, good trades to you and have a great week. Take care, everybody. Bye.